Hello again. Today is our second example of using inverse trig. So let's take a look at what we have to do. We have x, and we have to find the value of x. X should be in degrees. And let's look at the two sides it gives us. Well, it gives us this side, which is going to be the opposite side of x, because it's across from x, and this side that's right next to x. But if we look, CB seems to be the hypotenuse because it's the longest side and it's across from the right angle. So if it's not the hypotenuse, then this has to be the adjacent side to x. Well, what formula uses opposite and adjacent? Well, tangent does. So we're going to say tangent, or the tan of the angle x is equal to, it's the opposite side over the adjacent side. Okay, well, now that you got that set up, you can turn on your calculator, or turn on your calculator and use your calculator to find 35 divided by 65. You get that that's about 0.54, let's say. We're going to round it to the hundredths. So if we go back to our problem, we're going to say that this is 0.54, and that's equal to the tangent of the angle x, which means that the angle x is equal to the inverse tangent of 0.54. So go back to your calculators, type in second and go to tangent. You get the inverse tangent, and you type in 0.54. Close the brackets, hit enter, and you get about 28, and it says round to the nearest tenth, so we're going to round it to 28.4. And go back to your work over here, and we know that that's equal to, I right away forgot what it was, 28.4. 28.4. And that is your value for x.